Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about Barachain airdrop. So actually I've already made a video about Barachain long back, like 1 month ago I made a video about Barachain. So these are the basics task you gotta do before you watch this video, okay? Because basically I've told you everything you need to know about Barachain in this video, step by step process, how you can interact with their dApps and all the process I have explained in this video step by step. So must watch this video before you come to this video. So this video will be the continuation video of this, okay? So actually currently we'll be able to create an NFT and then we can get the Bara names and then we can even complete the Galaxy thing, okay? And then we'll be able to get the points. So we're going to see all these things how it gets done. So before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys and hit the bell icon. So like this video and continue watching it guys. Many of you are watching my videos without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button. So like the video and continue watching it guys. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sense information, airdrop details, airdrop link, everything I'll be providing it here only. And recently I made a video about Nibru chain free airdrop, must try in case if you haven't tried it. So for this one main thing you gotta do is your Twitter account must have 50 followers, okay? In case if you don't have 50 followers, go to my Twitter thread and try to post your account, and there you can get a follow, okay? So with that being said guys, let's get into the video. So first of all, I'll be leaving all these links inside my Telegram channel itself. You can go there and get all the links. And the first task what we are going to do is we're going to do this NFT, okay? And before that I'm going to connect the same wallet which we connected long back in order to do all the Barachain activities, okay? So just connect the wallet and you gotta do the sign and then your MetaMask will pop up. Just scroll down, click on sign in, and then your account will get connected here, okay? So now we have to deploy NFT here, okay? So it's very simple task only, and before that you need some test token, okay? So for that only I told you, if you watch this video you will get to know how you can get test token and everything, okay? But still I'll show you how you can get it. It's very simple guys. If you go to Barachain website now, so this is the Barachain website. Here you can see drip, okay? So just click on this one, it will take you to the faucet page, and here we just need to copy your wallet address. Just copy your wallet address and paste your address here, and just click on drip tokens and you will receive token, okay? So it will take 2 minutes, then you will be receiving the token in your wallet. So now after you receive it, just come back here again, and now you can give name, give symbol, and give some description, and then you can choose the minting type. Just leave as it is, and then we have to mint and all, okay? So here it's showing Ethereum, so we need to change the network. So just open your MetaMask and change the network into Barachain, okay? So just click on that and scroll down, choose this Barachain RCA, okay? So once you choose that, here you'll be able to see the Barachain token. So we have received it successfully, and we need to give, okay? So I'm just gonna fill all these things and I'm going to deploy, okay? So guys, once I have given all my details, I'm just gonna mint my logo itself. So deploy to Barachain, okay? So once you click on that, it will start deploying. So guys, once you click on create, here you can see guys, it started loading, and now we have to complete the transaction in the MetaMask. So just click on the confirm button. So once you click on the confirm, your collection will get created, okay? So very simple task only. So now here you can see guys, we have successfully minted it, and congrats, you have successfully deployed your NFT project. So after that, if you want, you can again also mint, okay? So if you want to check your previous minting, so just click on the dashboard, and here you'll be able to get to see your mint. So and one more thing what I'm suggesting you is, like, you can actually come here and do every single week, come here and try to mint an NFT or do some activities in the testnet, okay? So that it will increase your testnet activities. And the next thing what you have to do is you have to create your Bara name. So just connect your wallet, come here and click on connect, and click on MetaMask, and MetaMask will pop up. We just need to connect the wallet. So just click on connect and your MetaMask wallet will get connected. So once it got connected, we need to click on this create your Bara name, and you need to give the name here, and then we need to enter it, okay? So just give any name you like. I'm going to give channel name itself, and then here you can choose Chennai Marketeer, and you can even add emojis if you want. So once you have given the name, so just click on the register for Bara. So once you click on the registration, here you can see if you go for 2 years and all, it will cost a lot. So just go with the normal 1 year thing, okay? So just click on register, and then MetaMask will pop up, and all we have to do is just click confirm. So once you give confirm, your name will get successfully registered here. Okay, so the transaction got done, and here you can see the transaction got done, so it would have got registered. Okay, so if you click my Bera names, and then you'll be able to see your Bera name. Okay, so I don't know why the hell did I even put this emoji. Okay, so guys, this is how you need to create your Bera names. Okay, one thing you can do is, like, if you go inside this Honeyjar is actually partnering with Bera chain. Okay, so what you can do is, so this is not an official faucet. Okay, but still you can connect your wallet, and then we'll be able to get the faucet, and then we can even mint a NFT here. So I'll show you how you can do all these things. So just connect your wallet. So once you connect your wallet, you'll be able to see we need to wait for until the next drip, then we'll be able to request for some drip of Bera. Okay, and then we can even mint. Okay, so mint an NFT, but it will show insufficient balance. So if you have some honey, we'll be able to mint. So I have some honey, the honey token with me. So in case if you don't have honey, what you can do is you can go to Bera, and then you can use their DEX. Okay, so just click on the DEX, it will take you here. You can just swap Bera for honey token. Okay, so just select Bera in case if you have, and choose the honey token, and type the amount of Bera token you want to swap there. Okay, so if I'm just swapping 0.01 Bera, I'll be getting $5 worth of this thing. Okay, so and if you head back here, all we need is some 4 honey. Okay, so if we just click on approve honey, just click on approve, and then it will get approved, and then we can mint this NFT. Okay, so Ooga Booga ticket we can mint, so it's obviously free, so just try to mint this one. And here you can see the transaction got confirmed, approval successful, and it's still showing approve honey. I don't know why still showing approve. Just do the refresh and then try to mint. Okay, so here you can see mint one now. If you click on that, MetaMask will pop up, and just click on confirm. So ticket purchased. Okay, so your ticket will be shown in the inventory. So just do the refresh, then you'll be able to see yours here. Okay, so the quest got ended, so we don't need to do this one, guys, and the batches will be there, and here only you'll be able to get the batch. Okay, but the quest already got ended. Okay, so it's totally up to you to mint this one or not. Okay, so main thing, I'm coming to the main part here only. So main thing is about Bera chain ecosystem NFT. Here are the explanation about the NFTs. Okay, so there are 6 official NFT collection from Bera chain team, and that's how it all started. Okay, so if you have these NFTs, you will surely have some benefits in the future. For example, each NFT is rebasing. The first NFT was OG Bong Bears. To explain, someone initially owning one Bong Bear NFT would receive a Bear airdrop when it released, and now they would be holding one Bong Bear and one Bond Bear. Once a Boo Bears were released, they would receive 2 Boo Bears, and one for holding Bong Bear and one for holding Bond Bear. So now holding 4 bears, when the baby bears came around, they received 4 baby bears and 1 Bong Bear and 1 Bond, and 2 for Boos they held, and so on. So it's kind of like a tree like going. Okay, so Bond Bear NFT would be looking like a bond only. So if you go and see, no, you will get to know. So let me tell you the price of these NFTs. Okay, so you will get shocked. Okay, so just guess the price of the NFT. You will surely get shocked. The reason is, if you go inside Bond Bear NFT, if you see the price, no, you will get shocked. The floor price is literally 694 Ethereum. Okay, so it's like nearly $500,000 above price, guys. So we can't afford this one for sure. This one NFT cost that much. Okay, so we can't obviously get that one, but if we have that one, we are eligible for the airdrop for damn sure. And if you go in the last one, no, BitBears, even for this one the price is 5.4 Ethereum, so which is very huge, which we can't afford. So if you want, you can go if you have that much money and all, but I'm not seriously not going for that one. But what you can do is, actually I'm interested in this one. Okay, Ox Honeyjar. The Honeyjar was founded by Jenny, and it is the heart of the Bera chain project ecosystem. But actually we can go with the Honeyjar. Okay, so this Honeyjar only where we saw this event and all, and already Honeyjar is having the follower of 94k followers, so which is huge. Okay, and if you go to the honeyjar collection now, so you'll be able to see the floor price is sitting around 0.45. so actually week ago I saw about this, it was actually trading around 0.3 something, and currently it's trading around 0.4, so 0.3 something, but currently it's trading around 0.45 Ethereum, guys. But owning one of these NFT would give you literally, here you can see the low cost entry to Bara ecosystem. As Honeyjar forms the partnership with many Bara projects, you can expect the whitelist and other benefits. Okay, so you might get the whitelist and get other benefits too, and the price of this NFTs keep on pumping and growing, guys. And if you want to get NFT, this would be my pick. Okay, but currently the floor prices keep on pumping. So currently the NFT prices keep on increasing, so it's totally up to you to buy this NFT or not, because obviously 1% only listed here, and it's totally up to you to get this NFT or not. Okay, because it's investment thing, and this is the one thing which you can get, and get the whitelist or else get other benefits if you have. And other NFTs also there. Okay, you can go through and you can get any of the NFTs which are listed here, and you can find some low cost NFT also, but these are but some of the NFTs are not official one. Okay, but be leaving this Medium link also in the description, you can go and read and get any of the NFTs. Okay, so now I'll show you guys the last part where you can complete all the Galax tasks. So very simple task only, so just click on this visit, and then it will take you to this Barachain place, and then come back here and just refresh it, and then this task will get done. And if you want to get this link, we'll be able to get this links inside of their website itself. If you click on this view quest now, we'll be able to get this Galax task. Okay, and then it will take you here, and then here only we need to complete all the task. Okay, so I hope you will complete all the task and climb all the points. It will be helpful for you in the future. And don't leave this airdrop, guys, because it could be huge airdrop. Barachain, I'm telling you, it could be the huge one. And if you have some money, huge amount of money, you can grab the one of the NFT which I showed, so that it will give you some benefit in the future, and the price of your NFT would also go into 1x, up to 1x profit. Okay, because already when I saw 2 weeks ago, it was trading around 0.3 Ethereum, and currently when I checked it, it's trading around 0.4 above. Okay, so that's it, guys, in this video. I hope you all like this video. If you do so, hit the like button. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video until the very end.